Hello, I'm making my new vinyl fingerboard. So let's start. First, we'll start in scissors, glue spreader like this. We cut two toothpicks, pencil, the vinyl, and glue. So first, we start with this glue. Cut two vinyl tile like this. Then this. Then glue it like this. Like this. Just glue it like this. After you glue it, you wait 35 minutes until it dries. So let's start. After it dries, this one will look up. You do like this. This. And use rubber bands or clamps. I forgot to buy my clamps. And we're done. Bye.